Hey guys, in this video, I will show you the best way of sending money from USA to Philippines. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now I'm going to show you the cheapest and most reliable payment provider to do this, which actually would be Wise. Now Wise, widely regarded, is going to be the best rated provider for sending money internationally. And as they also state right here, it is going to be the best option out there to actually send money to the Philippines. Now, when it comes to Wise, Wise is actually widely regarded as the best provider when it comes to trust and credibility. Servicing quality and also fees and exchange rates, which is really important. Wise most of the time is going to be the cheapest option on the market, both for exchange rates but also just for the general fees of Wise. Now the fees on Wise are pretty low by default, as you can see right here. For example, if you do send money to the Philippines, this would cost around this USD. If you are going to send $100 onto the Philippines, as you can see right here, the recipient is actually going to get this amount of money. And also this is actually going to arrive in 20 minutes, which also is super good. So to get started, you will just have to register yourself a Wise account. And then the whole basically process is going to be super straightforward. You will just have to click on send money. Then you will have to put in how much you want to send, and then just the recipient of the money. Additionally, you can actually also use a tool called Remitly. This is most of the time actually also going to give you pretty great rates. However, generally from my experience, the overall Wise interface is actually way better than Remitly. That's why I would actually also recommend you to choose Wise over Remitly. And that's it. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.